drunk. I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 so take me on a trip, 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 trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it.
Nighttime is ours. 7 days a week, the darkest hours. In a magic field, we let it all out, we're well concealed. And every moment when I'm with you, it's a blessing. No more stressing. So if you want to, come and hold me. Yeah, I know you need some cure for all the pain. What can I do, do, do? I keep falling, falling, falling for you. Run for so true, true, true. I keep falling, falling, falling for you.
Hello everyone, so thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. So I just want to have some of my thoughts on the autofocus of these two cameras. Yeah, both of them are pretty good. The square are very consistent on the eyes also. The one thing I noticed for the Nikon camera, sometimes it prioritize to the other eyes, and I have to but there's a good that there's an option to do the left and right, to switch the left and right. And sometimes when I'm shooting vertical, one thing I noticed that if you shoot vertical, the switching of the eyes is pressing up instead of so up and down instead of the left and right for the pad. So, but yeah, that's the one thing I need to get used to. But it's good that for this, they have the option for you to switch in between. Just make sure that you use the pad to switch. And for the vertical shot, you need to press the up in the pad to switch left, and then press down to switch to the right. And in some situations, just like this one, yeah, you can see that sometimes it's switch. We have to switch back. So yeah, sometimes it determines left and right, and then the computer, like the processor, automatically switching in between the two. And then once you click the pad, it will concentrate on which eye. I think, yeah, that's one comment I have on the Z5. Both of them are very good. I think that from the price standpoint, the Nikon Z5 is cheaper than the A7iii. I think A7iii was on sale also 1 week ago. But for the value, I like the Z5 also, so it's very nice. And the color is different. It depends on your preference. Both of them I'm shooting AWB, auto white balance. Also both of them are shooting auto white balance, and it depends on your personal preference. And different lens has a different characteristic also. This is the size lens, and then this is the S line for the 35-18s. And for the fall color, I like this Nikon tone for the fall shoot. And sometimes for the city style, like if for the concrete jungle like New York City, probably San Francisco, within the city, I like the size also. So different characteristic of the lens. Let me know in the comments which do you like the most. Is the personal preference. There's no right or wrong, and you can adjust in the post to your taste also. Yeah, so yeah, I just want to show you quickly, and then like each camera, how's the IAF working right now. And yeah, that's a quick video showing these two different brands IAF. We know that Sony is still pretty good. I think it's still ahead among of them, but things are catching up. And then yeah, it's pretty sharp also. For the IAF, there's no like disappointment shots, so it's right on for the AFC. So yeah, I wish I will have this kind of commenting at the end of the video. Just have some of my thoughts later also. Just plan out different videos. And thanks so much for staying to the end, and then stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.